tell you the truth, I learned a lot from President Xi. And he said, one who delivers roses to the others, it's not only the guy that is getting the roses that is going to get something important, but the guy that is delivering the roses will get something because smell will remain on his hands. It shows the nature of this Belt and Road Initiative and a lot of good examples and great parallels that were made by President Xi. And I have to say that I learned a lot from him. We used to have great expectations. Today I can say that we have even bigger expectations. And I believe that we'll continue with the same pace, on the same path, with the very best results, and for the benefit of all our people.